everyone, is day 5 of our 21-day practice challenge. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe right now. And of course, I'm on Instagram, Cellist Wendy Law. Today is all about doing a special bow exercise. That's right. Now, I'm not going to go into which exercise you're going to do because I actually already did a special video showing you quite a few fun bow exercises and they do different things. So I'm expecting for you to show me the bow exercise on Instagram. I am gonna do one of these exercises for you that was not on that video. You can do this one, or if you have your own that you want to share with me, go ahead and share that with me. So I'm gonna do one of the bow exercises that I showed you in that video. I'm just going to focus on that and strengthen my fingers, and also this one. I don't think I showed you this one in my bow exercise, and also this one. All this helps strengthen my muscles. So try this out, and or this one I showed you, this climbing monkey one. Go ahead and check that video out. Let me know how it goes. And if you want to have a lesson with me, I will put down all the information of how you can do that. And thank you so much for joining the challenge. I'll see you tomorrow. Day 6, I think. Good work.